Welcome back to our Speak Well, everyone. Hope all of you are doing well, and happy Easter to you and your family if you're celebrating Easter. We don't celebrate Easter, but here I really like the activities. It's very fun. So today was a Sunday as well, so I thought let me make a fun day for my son. Many of you already know Arhaan is a special needs child, and for him, I have to get him busy. So this activity was very helpful for me. I tried it, and it seems Arhaan was liking it. So I thought, let me share with you all and make this a day, a fun day. After I made this, I just realized this is also great for sensory issue and also blowing, helping him blow. Showing you all the easiest ways to make it. To do it, you need gloves and a glue. Once you have all the item, then you put glue on the middle finger, just like this. Fold it. Once you fold it, put pressure on it to make sure it's secure. And after that, you flip the gloves. And in this side, you put a glue on the pinky. And then you fold them. Make sure it's secure properly. And you put pressure again this side as well. Then you go back to the thumb finger. You do the same thing. You put a little bit of glue. And please fold it and attach carefully. Make sure it doesn't come off. Now it's time to give Bunny a cute face. So we're doing the eye and also nose and the mouth. You can draw the bunny face how you want, and this is the only way I can do. I tried my best. Hope you like it. Now that our cute bunny is ready, now it's time to put them in performance. All you need is a cup with a little bit of hole at the bottom, and you put the straw just like this, and you put the gloves on the top, and you tuck in all the gloves inside. And now our bunny is ready to perform. To make use, just blow on it, and you will see how the bunny does his magic. Now my little artist made this bunny. I hope you liked it as well. Please don't forget to subscribe to our Speak Well, and if you liked our video today, please don't forget to share with your friends and family and enjoy this little bunny. And also, if you made it, please don't forget to give us the feedback how you liked our bunny making. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye.